In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert PDF in Google Sheets, step by step. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and have a spreadsheet ready. The easiest and most reliable way to add a PDF is to link it from Google Drive. Start by uploading the PDF to Drive. Open Google Drive, click New, choose File Upload, and select your PDF. Once it finishes uploading, right-click the file, choose Share, and if others need access, change the setting to anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link. This permission step is important. If it's restricted, collaborators will see an error when they try to open it. Now switch back to your sheet, click the cell where you want the PDF, and paste the link. If you prefer a cleaner label, use the hyperlink formula. Type as hyperlink, paste your link here, open PDF. This keeps your sheet tidy while still giving one-click access to the file. If you want a visible preview instead of a plain link, you can insert the PDF as an image preview. Convert the relevant PDF page to an image using your preferred tool or a quick screenshot. In Google Sheets, go to Insert, then Image, and upload that image. Resize the image to fit your layout. This approach is especially helpful for invoices, receipts, and forms where a quick visual cue makes scanning your sheet faster. Another lightweight option is to store the link in a note or a comment. Right-click a cell, choose Insert Note or Insert Comment, and paste the PDF link. Notes are great for quiet references. Comments are better when you want teammates to reply or be notified. Either way, the sheet stays clean while the reference is just a hover away. You can also create a clickable button using Google Drawing. Go to Insert, then Drawing. Add a simple shape or text that says something like Open PDF and save it to the sheet. After it appears, select the drawing, add a link, and paste your PDF URL. This creates a clear call to action that stands out visually. Finally, if you're working on mobile, upload the PDF to Drive, copy its sharing link, open the Google Sheets app, and paste the link into a cell. As on desktop, be sure the sharing settings allow the right people to open it. That's it. Whether you want a straightforward link, a visual preview, a discrete reference, or a clickable button, these methods make adding PDFs to Google Sheets simple and effective.